A very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is classification of opioid analgesic drugs, that is narcotic analgesics. First of all, the classification of these drugs, these are divided into some categories. So number one category is morphine and its analogs. This is the structure of morphine drugs, and these are the sites. These are the substituents of the morphine drugs. Whenever these are substituents are substituted at that position, it makes a morphine drug, that is the morphine analog. And the example of some morphine drugs, that is ethyl morphine, codeine and heroin, nalorphine. These are the drugs which are comes under into the morphine drugs. Okay. Now, number one derivative of the morphine drug, that is hydromorphone derivative. This is the general structure of hydromorphone derivatives. Whenever at the R positions, these are the substituent position. Whenever the at the substituent position, any substitute like OH, H and CS3 are substitute at that positions, the new drugs or derivatives are formed or synthesized, like hydromorphone, oxymorphone, hydrocodone, oxycodone, etc. These are the example of hydromorphone derivatives. Now come the next category, that is dihydromorphine derivatives. This is the general structure of the dihydromorphine drugs. Okay, and as usual, R position is the substituent position. Whenever if any substitute like methyl or hydrogen at that position, the new derivative compound is synthesized, that is dihydromorphine or dihydrocodeine are the example of this type of drug. And number two category, first one is the morphine category, and number two is meperidine analogs. This is the general structure of meperidine analogs. These are the example of drugs like meperidine, bamidone, properidone, fentanyl, etc. These type of drugs are related to this category. And at the R1, R2, R3 are the substitute position. Whenever any substituent are joined at these positions, the new drug is synthesized and used as a meperidine analog. Okay, and now come to the third category, that is methadone analog, and this is the chemical structure of the methadone analogs. R1, R2, R3 and R4 are the four substitute positions. Whenever any substituent is reacting at that positions, it make a different derivative of the drug like methadone, this one. Okay, and isomethadone, normethadone, diphenone, etc. These type of the drugs, etc., which are comes under methadone analogs. Now fourth category, that is morphine analog. This is the general structure of morphine analogs. This one, R and R dash position is the substitution position, and in this structure, example of drugs like levorphanol tartrate, butorphanol tartrate and dextromethorphan, etc. These type of the drugs which are comes under in the morphine analogs. And fifth category is morphine analog. This is the chemical structure of the morphine analogs, this one. And R1 are the two substituent categories positions which comes under in the morphine analog derivatives. Whenever any substituent is substitute at that positions like R and R1, the different type of drugs like pentazocine, pentazocane, cyclazone, etc. type of these drugs synthesize, and these comes under morphine analog. Now, and last category, that is miscellaneous. And for the miscellaneous category, the example of drug is tramadol. This is the structure of tramadol drug, and these are the miscellaneous type of drugs which comes under this type of category. Thank you. This is the classification of the opioid receptor type of drugs. Okay, thank you.